In this video, you will learn about the neurotransmitter serotonin, and how it affects mood. You will also learn about how medicine can be used to alter serotonin levels. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that has multiple functions in the body, including regulating mood, especially depression and anxiety. A neurotransmitter is a chemical that is released at one end of a nerve fiber, or neuron, by the arrival of a nerve impulse. Once the nerve impulse reaches the end of the nerve fiber, the neurotransmitter, serotonin, is released into the synapse. The neurotransmitter diffuses across the synapse and binds to a receptor on the next nerve fiber and continues the nerve impulse. An SSR protein, or selective serotonin reuptake, the SIRT5-HT transporter protein, that is embedded in the membrane, will bind to any free serotonin in the synapse, and then bring it back into the presynaptic neuron, through a channel from the synapse to the neuron. Some cases of depression and anxiety are caused by low serotonin levels. So, a drug has been developed called an SSRI, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor, which decreases the activity of the SSR protein, by blocking the channel used to uptake serotonin back into the presynaptic neuron. The overall result of taking an SSRI, like Prozac, Zoloft and Lexapro, is that serotonin lingers in the synapses and accumulates in the brain, whereby the anxiety and depression are alleviated.